Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we would be discussing Hedera Hbar. Is it too late to buy Hbar? So it's going to be an interesting video, guys. Do watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems as well. So if you're interested in any of that, then do hit the subscribe and notification bell. And guys, you can also support the channel by becoming a patron if you want to see the channel rolling for years. So do check that out as well, guys. Anyways, let us begin first and foremost with the price. So H bar is up 7.82% for the day. The price is $0.0802. If we look at the monthly chart, guys, it rallied from 0.06946 all the way to 0.10 almost, and since that time it came down and tested these support levels over here. But since that time it has rallied up. It has bounced back up. Let us look at the 1 month chart. Check this out, guys. It is up 86.70% for the month, and it went from 0.04745, and it came and tested this crucial resistance of February 23rd over here, and it broke it. A false breakout over here, and since that time it has come down. It is in this region. It tested the support over here, but in my opinion, guys, Hedera is primed to move. Now check this out. This is awesome. It came and it broke this crucial resistance over here, guys, and it is only a matter of time when it breaks off. So at the moment, it isn't too late to buy Hedera Hbar. I'm going to be sharing a couple of articles with you guys to prove that yeah, Hbar has the potential to go big. Check this out. The market cap at the moment, even the fully diluted market cap, is approximately $4 billion and $2.6 billion approximately with the current circulating supply. So this is primed. Even if not primed, guys, but it has the potential, if I rephrase myself, to hit trillions, guys, because the potential is huge. I'm not saying primed due to the fact that there's not financial advice. This crypto is volatile. You guys can do your own due diligence, your own research, only invest what you can afford to lose. But in my opinion, it is primed, but I'll rephrase that it has the potential, guys, because I'm really bullish on HBAR, but you have to do your own due diligence. Regardless, guys, I saw this article a while back. This was posted on January 3rd, 2024. I'm going to share this with you guys. Is it too late to buy Hedera? H bar price rallies over 10%, but since that time, guys, it has been a bit volatile in the short term. Let me show you guys. Despite hitting a new multi-year high yesterday, Hedera's H-Bars token was not immune to the sell-off. Okay, so yeah. Now this is important. A crucial partnership was announced in December with Archex. We're going to be looking at this in a moment, guys, but let me move ahead. This expanded support for staking HBAR, enhancing its appeal to institutional investors and validating Hedera's protocol. Additionally, the total value locked in Hedera's DeFi ecosystem has reached new highs, indicating a growing user base and strong fundamentals driving the token's valuation. That is awesome. These include a $1 million metaverse fund through Afro Future DAO and NFT campaign titled Ashfall, and notably support from the US Federal Reserve's FedNow, guys, instant payment system after it added Hedera-based drop for micropayments. That is awesome, guys. This fundamental growth, coupled with strong price performance and interest from investors in new pre-sales like Push built on Hedera, gives HBAR a solid foundation, guys. And as you guys know, that Bitcoin spot ETF has also been of intrigue to a lot of enthusiasts, guys. So Overall, guys, the crypto world has seen a lot of volatility recently, but Hedera, in the long run, it is primed to be huge, in my opinion. As I said, the potential to be huge. So, yeah, let me show you guys this. Hedera staking with Archex earn rewards and support the network. So let me first talk about Archex, what it is. Archex is the first FCA regulated global digital securities exchange, guys. If you do not know, FCA is the Financial Conduct Authority, I think, of UK, the regulatory authority, guys. Like you can see, SEC is in USA, so that sort of stuff. Archex is the first ever digital securities exchange regulated by the FCA in London, targeted at institutions. So basically, this is targeted at institutions. Archex has also has its FCA brokerage, custody, and crypto asset permissions, guys. So that is awesome. It is founded by traditional capital market experts and backed by an accomplished advisory board. So Archex is legit, guys, and its association with Hedera is a significant milestone and a step towards mass adoption, like which we always talk about mass adoption. These are the signs and signals to the mass adoption of crypto and the victory of the utility coins and these utility projects that we constantly talk about, guys. These are significant milestones, in my opinion. Archex solutions are built using existing proven resilient, scalable, high-performance infrastructure. So that is awesome, guys. They've had a partnership with Hedera now. They're involved with Hedera staking with Archex. So yielding returns on HBAR holdings. So they're basically interested in the passive income with Hedera. Staking Hedera HBAR tokens offers Archex custody clients a compelling commercial opportunity to generate returns while supporting a robust digital asset network. And guys, let me tell you, these are institutional clients, and this is institutional interest. This is not merely a staking of X, Y, and Z. This is huge. Hedera staking provides yield on HBAR holdings from network fees. This creates a solid passive income stream on any HBAR asset. So that is awesome, guys. That is awesome. The association with Archex is huge. Let me show you guys. The Hedera network is the best choice for institutional grade tokenization, offering a robust platform specifically designed to meet the needs of enterprises and the scale of the largest financial institutions globally. Like I told you guys, now huge enterprises and financial institutions are becoming to get more involved in crypto in general and Hedera network in particular, guys. And we can even go as far as to say that Hedera network is one of the front runners. It is one of the projects that is in the front to for this metamorphosis, guys, basically. So this is said by propounded by Shane Higdon, co-founder and CEO of HBAR Foundation. With high performance and scalability, Hedera is establishing itself as the technology layer for institutions and their evolving financial strategies. So the tech of Hedera is great, and this performance scalability is awesome. Together with Archex and its partners, we look forward to accelerating the establishment of Hedera as the preferred choice for institutional grade tokenization, guys. Not just your mere tokenization for individuals and retail, but this is something else. This is on a whole new level, guys. And not just this. Why I am bullish on HBAR, guys. The reason is that its DeFi is now flourishing. Hedera Hashgraph nears key price as Saucer Swap booms. Saucer Swap, guys, the main DEX and the front runner has been booming recently. It tested its all-time high. Recent data shows that Saucer Swap has been doing great. For example, data compiled by a DeFi Llama shows that the ecosystem's total value locked jumped to the all-time high of 450.2 million HBAR tokens. In dollar terms, the TVL jumped to over $42.24 million. Guys, I've told you people, that a good DeFi is a sign that a project is flourishing. But I'm going to be making another video after this of another great coin that I truly believe in that doesn't have that DeFi flourishing Casper network, but still being being a platform for enterprises and businesses alone, that is enough to make a project great. But along with that, what HBAR is doing is its DeFi is flourishing. So that is a bonus. You get what I'm saying? Check this out, guys. Saucer swap the price. Let me show you the all-time high, guys. We've been talking about HBAR since a long, long time, guys. Even when it was in the bottom end of line, we were talking about it. So kudos if you have made returns. And this thing, I think, has a lot of potential to grow, guys. So yeah, overall, I think that it is still not too late to buy and invest in HBAR, but it might be too late soon enough. And depending on what you call too late, there might be other institutional investors that are going to be diving into HBAR even at 10 billion or even at 50 billion market cap or even more so. It might, we still might have a lot of time, but to have massive gains, a good entry is still very important, guys. So this is it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment. And guys, if you're interested in any of these other coins as well, make sure to hit the notification bell and subscribe. And guys, also, if you're interested, do check out Patreon as well to support the channel. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.